So today's trading was pretty okay. I'm fine with my execution. I'm happy with what I've done. Yeah, we come into the day. I was bullish because we had last week, like I said, this liquidity sweep. We swept the whole liquidity with not last week. It was on Monday. We swept with this big bullish candle. Yesterday, the daily candle is not a big deal. Nothing happened yesterday. There was a little bit move up. Then we corrected, and then we have here this equal lows. This was my this is the sell side liquidity for the day. But yeah, like I said, I was pretty bullish for today because London we manipulated down. We didn't swap this liquidity from yesterday. This equal lows with this we didn't swap it. But I was still bullish, and I thought, okay, maybe at opening we go down, sweep this, and then go up to this liquidity here at Asia's high. But it didn't came so. After opening, we had a big move up. We had also bullish news, or yeah, it was CPI news, and we swept the news high. We didn't swap this London. No, this is this Asia liquidity. We didn't sweep this Asia liquidity, but for me, this market structure was then again bearish. I thought, okay, we have here this equal perfect low. Maybe we will get this to this perfect low, and then we swap this buy side liquidity, and then we swap also, then we go also to this buy side liquidity. And then I searched after we broke structure here. I searched for entry. We had here the first presented fair value gap. We moved back into this fair value gap and reacted from this fair value gap. After we closed with the bearish candle of the fair value gap, I made directly my entry with 2 micros here. I wanted to enter with 3 micros, but I accidentally entered with 2 micros. Then I entered here again with 1 micro more. Then I had here my first take profit. I took 1 micro out here, moved my stop loss at break even, and got stopped out. On this trade I made about $100, I think. Not a big deal, 1 micro take profit. Yeah, we made about $100 on this 1 micro take profit, and got then stopped out at break even with this wick here. And yeah, this was a pretty solid trade for me. We had a perfect setup, fair value gap. We entered in the fair value gap, reacted from it with the bearish candle, and then moved further more down. But I thought maybe we will hit this. This was my target then, because I saw, okay, we have no movement momentum to go to this buy side liquidity. But then the moving turn is I got stopped out. We swept this Asia high here, this buy side liquidity. We swept it. We broke structure again with this candle here, and here is a perfect fair value gap. Then I waited for that we inverse this fair value gap, and with this candle here, with this big move, which also opened the fair value gap, we inversed this bullish gap here. And then I searched again for short entry with this take profit and this. And yeah, because I took already one trade, I made here only an entry with 1 micro and moved my stop loss then at break even, because I thought I don't want to lose money anymore, because yeah, I took one trade, I made my profit. I shouldn't be in this trade right now. I know that, but I made my stop loss directly at break even and then got stopped out. Sorry, that's my chair. And then got stopped out directly with this candle here. But like, you know me, I'm merry at my buys. I want to see this sell side got swept and this sell side got swept. So I waited again till we hit this fair value gap. Then we perfectly, like textbook perfectly, we hit this fair value gap, reacted from it, close. I made directly my entry here at the opening of this candle with 3 micros, 2 micros again, because I thought, okay, this is pretty perfect. This wick comes into the fair value gap, we react from it, I make my entry. boom, textbook trade. First take profit was here, second take profit here, so I took one micro out on this wick here, on this low, on this sell side liquidity. Finally we hit this sell side liquidity, and then I moved my stop loss at break even and got stopped out with this candle. Yeah, I moved it a little bit more to profit than to break even, but I got stopped out. And yeah, I'm fine with it. I made $222, 222, and I'm fine with it. Yeah, I don't know, I'm fine with it. Of course, the second two trades, the last two trades could have been not so good and I could have lost money, but I don't know, it's obvious this is the target. We have this perfect fair value gap, we enter from this perfect fair value gap and we hit this low, so it's perfect. There cannot happen anything else than this. So I was pretty confident with these two last trades, and that's because I took them. If there wasn't a price action like this, I wouldn't take another trade after this one, but I saw the good price action, I saw the movement, I saw that we have a good market structure in this market today, in this New York opening session, and yeah, that's it for me. I'm pretty fine with it. Of course, everyone wants to make more money, but at first point I don't want to lose money, and today this happened and I'm happy with it. I hit one first take profit here, one first take profit here, so two first take profits. It's like one full take profit, but yeah, I'm fine with it. It's okay, and tomorrow we have another day to trade and earn money, and yeah, I can show you my account matrix here. We have here the $222 on Lucid trading with my evaluation account, and I want to pass this challenge so fast as I can, and then want to get my payout and want to buy more challenges from Lucid, and then also more from Apex because they have a pretty good discount, and I need to then to organize to trade. The Apex accounts are a little bit different than I trade with the Lucid, because the Apex accounts you can pass in one day, so I want to try to pass them in 1 or 2 days so I can earn directly money and have directly passed the evaluation phase. But yeah, first I need to show me that I can trade with this account, and then we will see. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We see us tomorrow. Yeah, bye.